What do you love about being together? Can we qualify? What kind of relationship is that?
Ha? Ito naman. Cut. No. Pero, I mean,
No, it's just me asking.
The friendship that we have, Kath and I, parang, yun nga, like the whole team nung Hello, Love, Goodbye. Yung friendship na nabuo, whenever we see each other, it's like nothing has changed. And I guess you can't find much of that in this industry. Mahirap nang makahanap.
Ang mutual admiration ng dalawa, kitang-kita rin sa aming panayam bago ang pagpapalabas sa big screen ng Hello, Love Again sa susunod na Miyerkules.
The first time I met Kath, and while doing Hello, Love, Goodbye, parang very shy, very timid in a way. Parang she is parang trying to explore different things pa during that time. But right now, titingnan mo pa lang siya ngayon, you can see the woman she is now. Nakaka-proud lang. She's a strong, independent woman.
Hanep, thanks po. I would say after this movie, mas nakilala ko si Alden, definitely. Kasi nung when we did Hello, Love, Goodbye, 2019,
Parang hindi tayo masyado kasi...
parang that was purely work. Wala kaming chance to talk in anything. I think malaking part ng chemistry is friendship.
Trust and
friendship. And I think that's what we have right now. Hindi mo naman makikilala kung hindi magiging open yung isang tao. And siguro yun lang yung nakatulong sa amin dalawa. We didn't force it na, okay, you have to tell me all these things na hindi mo sinasabi sa ibang tao para mas makilala kita.
Pag-amin pa ni Catherine, ginamit niyang hugot sa pag-portray sa role ang magaganda at masasakit na naranasan niya sa mga nagdaang taon.
Pero nandito ka na naman. At nandito na naman ako.
It made me who I am today. It helped me, all the experiences. Siguro ngayon, iba din yung medyo tumanda ako. So, iba yung, kung papagawa mo sa akin yung isang eksena noong 2019, tapos ipapagawa mo sa akin ngayon, feeling ko iba ko siya gagawin. Kasi ang dami nangyari in between those years. And kung ipapagawa mo siya sa akin 5 years from now, feeling ko iba din yung gagawin ko. So, diba, it's just so interesting.
Pero dahil saktong 1 linggo na lang bago mapanood ang Hello, Love Again, ano kaya ang nararamdaman nila?
Medyo mabilis lahat ng nangyari. So it's just sinking in now, I think. And I'm pretty nervous.
Yes, actually, in all projects naman, most especially this project, since this is very special to both of us, the pressure of, kasi merong tinitingnan na benchmark from the previous film. Of course, there's gonna be comparison in a way, and syempre yung pressure of the box office, etc. But it is for the people to decide. And it's for them to really, by word of mouth, to tell if the movie is worth watching.
I think it's just very comforting to know na I'm not doing this alone. Because, like what I said kanina, grabe lang siguro yung sobrang kinakabahan sa lahat ng mangyayari. So it's just nice na feeling ko ngayon, hindi ko lang siya mag-isa hinaharap kasi kasama ko si Alden.
I don't want to spoil it, pero are we seeing a third sequel?
Let's talk again after we watch the...
Yes, we don't want, ayaw namin salita ng tapos kasi mahirap.
Pero kung kayong tatanungin, gusto nyo ba?
I think this will put an end
to Joy and Ethan's journey.
Yeah.
Pagpahingahin na natin sila.
Yeah.
Kasi parang they have been through a lot. But on our point of view, maybe it's time to say goodbye to Joy and Ethan. But what if? The what if?
What if may 1 million signature campaign?
Sus Marios.
Diyos ko po.
But we can't tell. But for us, personally, parang okay na.
Yeah, this will answer all their questions.